If you've been wanting to automate an outlet in your house, but you don't know how or what product to use, I'm here to show you 2 products you can use to accomplish just that. The first product I use to automate the lights in my workshop is this Topo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug. I simply connect my lights to this, and after programming the outlet, I'm able to just issue the command, "Hey Siri, turn woodshop lights on." And just like that, the lights come on. Not only are you able to turn the lights on issuing the command, but you can also turn them off. "Hey Siri, turn woodshop lights off." Just like that. Great little product to be able to automate an outlet in your house. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can pick one up. The other one I picked up also is this by TP-Link, and it's this Casa Smart Wi-Fi outdoor plug. If you want to automate some lights outside, you can pick one of these up and program it just like you would do with this one and issue the command to automate whatever you're trying to turn on. I'll also leave a link in the description to this one below. So this one works with Alexa, with Apple HomeKit, and also with Google Home. And this one is the same thing with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. Let me know if you pick one up, what you end up using with it, or if you have one, let me know what you think of it, if you like it or don't like it, or if you had a hard time configuring it. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody you think might need help automating an outlet in their home, and subscribe to get more handy tips. Thanks for watching. See you all later.